my name is Zafifah. Today, we are going to learn about a period of history that are very important, which is the stages of industrial revolution that happened in our world. First thing first, to know that what is industrial revolution. Industrial revolution is considered in our modern history is the process of change from agrarian and handicraft economy to be one dominated by industry and machine factory. This process began in Britain in the 18th century and from there spread to the other part of the world. As we can see that the agrarian process is changed, which the machine were invented, which replaced human labor. In this situation, there are 4 stages or phases of the industrial revolution which can give impact to the society or the community itself. The first industrial revolution took place between 1750 until 1870. It took place in England, the US, Belgium and France. Aware of their head start, the British forbade the export of machinery, skilled worker and manufacturing technique. However, the British monopoly could not last forever. Next, the US brought the Industrial Revolution to Belgium by developing machine shop at Liege, and Belgium became the first country in continental Europe to be transformed economically. In this situation, as we can see that the James Watt invented the steam engine and used the steam energy to transform into the power. Move to the second industrial revolution. The second industrial revolution took place between 1870 and 1916 when the spread of the industrial revolution to places such as Germany, Japan and Russia happened. Despite vast resources of coal and iron, Germany did not begin its industrial revolution until national unity was achieved in 1870. Once Germany's industrial revolution grew so rapidly that by the turn of the century, that nation was outproducing Britain in steel and had become the world leader in the chemical industry. The rise of US industrial in the 19th and 20th century also outstripped European effort. Later, Japan also joined the industrial revolution with striking success. Under the second industrial revolution, electricity became the primary source of power for factory, farm and home. Because of the use of electricity power, the electronics such as radio, fan that enter the marketplaces. As a result, the society became to changes. In this part, we can say that electricity play an essential role during the second industrial revolution that can convert to heat, light and motion. Move to the third industrial revolution, which is based on the use of electronic and IT, which is information technology, to further automate production. Nearly a century, in the two half of the century, a third industrial revolution appeared with the emergence of new type of energy, whose potential surpasses its predecessors, such as nuclear energy. This revolution not only witnessed the rise of electronic but also witnessed the rise of telecommunication and computer. This new technology led the production of miniaturized material which would open door and most notably to space research and biotechnology. The fourth industrial revolution is happened in the 20th century, which is it represent the fourth industrial revolution. Although the term of the fourth industrial revolution are often used interchangeably, Industrial 4.0 factory have machines which are augmented with wireless connectivity and sensor connected to a system that can visualize the entire production line and make decisions on its own. Industry 4.0 offer the opportunity for manufacturers to optimize their operation quickly and efficiently by knowing what needs attention. In a conclusion, we can say that the 4 stages of industrial revolution give very big impact for our global nation to get a better life according to the new emergence of technology.